Hey, maybe steer clear of the beasties. One of them is near Rabbit, and the other is looking at us like we're supper.
Mum won't let me touch the animals. Bet you don't have to ask your mum to pet a stupid cat. I don't like the kitty. She looks scary.
I don't know what that is, Peanut, but it's not a kitty. Maybe we should go.
The beast ignores you, her eyes locked on the crowd. While the cage is sturdy, the lock is old. It could be jammed shut, so not even a key could open it. It jams shut, trapping her within.
Later, Peanut. He doesn't look too good.
Sharp as ever.
Fine.
And I'm off.
Ooh, don't get too close, or Crimson here might decide you look tasty.
Time for a chat.
Hunger! My stomach screams. Press your flesh through bars. And add blood. Reach.
You've seen him twice already, Peanut.
Meat. Meat.
Please.
On I go.
Maybe later, Peanut. He doesn't look too good.
I think he looks fine.
About the scarecrow who lost a fight? He got the stuff up. Am I indeed? Oh, right there. It wasn't.
Pray.
Better bleed. Is this part of the show? Praise the Absolute.
Mistra Rill. Easy and effective.
Talk to me.
Let me strike.
2 steps at a time.
Here comes the punchline.
I die at a circus.
Rebels! No!
I thirst for combat. Yes. A shapeshifter. What a pity. I thought we had killed a real clown.
Coming to this